In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Microsoft Word documents. We'll cover the most effective ways to control access, protect content, and follow smart habits that keep sensitive information safe, all using tools built right into Word. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. First, let's lock down access with encryption. This is the strongest protection Word offers because it prevents anyone from even opening the file without the correct password. In Word, go to File, then Info, choose Protect Document, and select Encrypt with Password. Create a strong, unique password using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Keep this password in a secure password manager, because if you forget it, it cannot be recovered by Microsoft. If you want people to read the document but limit what they can change, use Restrict Editing. Go to the Review tab, click Restrict Editing, choose the level of restrictions you want, and then select Yes. Start enforcing protection. You can add a password here to stop others from removing those restrictions. Keep in mind, though, that this can be bypassed by copying and pasting the content into a new document, so for highly sensitive files, you may need more robust third-party DRM solutions. You can also mark a document as final to signal that it shouldn't be edited, but know that this is easily reversed by the recipient. Next, manage the information hidden inside your file. Word stores metadata like the author, edit history, and hidden text. Before sharing, run the document inspector. Go to File, Info, check for issues, and choose Inspect Document. Review the results and remove anything you don't want to share. If you need to communicate sensitivity clearly, add a watermark such as confidential or draft, so anyone opening the file understands how it should be handled. A few best practices go a long way. Be cautious with macros, since they can carry malicious code. Set your macro security to disable all macros with notification, or allow only digitally signed macros. Keep Word and your operating system updated to receive the latest security patches. Use reputable antivirus and anti-malware software for an additional safety net. When sharing, avoid sending passwords through unencrypted channels like email. If you store or share via cloud services such as OneDrive, enable multi-factor authentication for extra account protection. Consider saving a copy as a PDF to preserve formatting and make editing, copying, or printing more difficult. Finally, back up important files securely, ideally on encrypted storage or an external drive, so you're protected against loss or damage. Follow these steps consistently, and you'll make your Word documents far more secure. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.